This is the perfect cheese burst pizza recipe if you're looking for a quick one. We are going to use ready-made base and quick pizza sauce. So first we'll preheat the kadhai. So for that, take half cup salt or namak in a kadhai and place a stand. Cover it, and at medium flame you need to preheat it for 10 minutes. An electric oven, OTG or convection, at 180 degrees Celsius. Now in a bowl, take paneer or cottage cheese 50 gram, diced into small pieces. Then add half teaspoon kitchen king masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, some salt as per taste. Give this a good mix, and you need to let this marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, heat around 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Add the marinated paneer. Saute this for 5 minutes at medium flame. And then take it out and keep aside. Keep it covered so that it doesn't dry out. Then in a bowl, take 3 tablespoons red chili sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 2 small cloves of garlic thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon oregano, some salt as per taste. All the sauces already have salt in them, so make sure you do not add a lot of salt. So mix this well and our quick pizza sauce is ready. Keep it aside for a while. Moving ahead, so this is our pizza base. It's a ready-made pizza base. To make it cheese burst, we are going to divide it horizontally into 2 layers. The top one would be thinner than the bottom one. So this is how you should be cutting it. So this is done. So here I'm using a pizza plate. You can also use aluminum plate or steel plate. Well, we are not going to bake at high temperature, so steel plate would be fine, but I personally do not like to use steel for baking as it tends to burn. And then add 2 to 3 tablespoons cheese spread. So you get many cheese spread brands. You get many cheese spread from different brands in the market, so you can use any brand. This is the plain cheese spread. So spread it evenly, but you need to leave the sides. And then place the top layer, and this is ready to be baked. But before that, yes, we need to apply the pizza sauce which we have prepared and put some toppings. So apply as much sauce as you like, and then place some mozzarella cheese. I'm using 50 to 60 gram of mozzarella cheese. Then place the paneer pieces, followed by some onion slices and some tomato slices. So I've removed the seed part of the tomatoes. So they look like red capsicum, but yes, they are tomatoes. So moving the pizza to one side of the plate so that if the cheese comes out from that side, it will not flow and get into the plate completely. So our kadhai has been preheating at medium flame for 10 minutes. Inside this, I'm going to bake this pizza for 5 to 7 minutes at medium flame. And if you want to bake this in OTG or convection, you need to preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes and then bake this pizza for 5 minutes. So our pizza is ready. You can see a little bit leakage from one side has happened, but that's okay. Take the pizza out and then slice it into, so this is a small pizza base, so I'm just dividing this into 4 pieces. Look at the cheese dripping out of this pizza slice. This is so yum and quick to make. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.